So this workflow is going to automatically adapt shoe sizes to other markets in Shopify. And so this is a Google Sheet that we're pulling these mappings from for the different markets. We've got separate tabs here for different types of size systems: women's, men, full sizes, half sizes, kids, that kind of thing. And the way that it works is we're triggering off of a tag. So you want to tag the product with the sort of the size system. And then in this case, women's full sizes. And then we are going to check for that tag, grab the tag, and then grab the rows from the sheet. And we have to map a market ID to the country names, to the market names. We're going to need that later on in one of these calls. We're going to loop over the markets. And then within each market, if it's a non-US market, because we're taking the US sizes and then we're going to map them to other markets, we're going to go ahead and do the size mapping here. So this is where we're just do a little bit of math on those spreadsheet values. And then looping over the variance. Oh, let me circle up. Actually, let me go back up here to the variable section. This is where we're determining which option value to key off of. So in this case, the size option is option 1 for me there. And this is in translate and adapt, where you can see what's going on in here. And so we're doing that in English. And yeah, so coming back down here, we're looping over the variance. And then we are grabbing the way the GraphQL API works. You got to grab a special digest ID for each piece of translatable content. So we're grabbing that, and then we're using that to actually update the translated content there. And that's what it looks like under the hood. When you run a test, here's how it should go. And then we've just got a little note field in here where we're indicating the US size, the market, and the mapping. So you can see it's just letting you know which ones it's processing there. And then when it's all done, you'll see the fields populated. So yeah, that's how that works. As always, you can find these on the automation demos section of the blog. And we should have there's a link here to this sample Google Sheet in case you want to use this or adjust it. You probably have different size mappings for your particular brand. And so you can grab the sheet there, and then you can download that workflow there and install that. So if you need any help setting that up, let us know. We'd be happy to help.